Hi, so payment can be made easily at Whogohost using your card details. All you need to do is to log into your client area, the dashboard, as you can see, and select the particular invoice that you would like to make payment for. So I'm going to be walking you through how to do this in very simple and easy steps. Okay, here is an unpaid invoice. I would like to open it. I just clicked on it so that I'll be able to view the invoice and see the actual amount as well as the payment instruction available. This is the invoice, and I will click again to view it. Invoice 1374261. This invoice shows a total of 5,000 naira and it's for payment for a service. So this page currently shows the actual description of the invoice. So you can see here we have the invoice number, we have the status, it's currently unpaid, the invoice date and its due date as well. Okay, my details and the domain I would like to purchase using this invoice. The fee is 5,000 naira. Please note that this 5,000 naira is not inclusive of the payment gateway charge. When you want to make payment with an online payment gateway charge, a processing fee will be charged as well. So it's not included in your invoice. You only get to find out at the point of payment. This is my total due and this is my payment method. Pay stack subscription. We click on this drop down, you'll see option to select any other payment method that you might want, but for this particular video I choose to use pay stack. All you need to do is to proceed to click on pay now. This brings out a box where I'm able to input my card details. I'm currently doing that. I'm inputting my card details so that I can make payments easily with my card. This doesn't take time. You can do it easily and swiftly. So I just inputted my card details, the expiry date and my CVV. Then I'll click on pay this amount. So as you can see, I'm to pay 5,071. So that is to show you that the system has added the payment gateway charges for this transaction. All right, I've clicked. I'm being asked if I want to save my card and I don't want to, so I'll click on no thanks, and I'm to enter my PIN. So I just inputted my PIN and then I'm waiting for my payments to be authorized. Enter the OTP code sent to your phone. My bank is going to send me an OTP which I would enter. Okay, I just received the OTP and I'm currently entering it. I'm typing it, then I'll click on authorize. You can see it came in almost immediately. Payment successful. I would remain on this page until it loads my paid invoice page. Okay, please ensure that the moment you make your payment, do not close this tab. Stay on the page until the payment is fully processed and you see an invoice showing as paid. All right, that's very important. So ensure that there is no break in transmission or network breach somewhere while making your payment, because as it is, the bank is still communicating with the ISP and the server to ensure that this service that you paid for gets activated immediately. Right? Okay. All right, so I just got a notification and I will continue to my client area. Please ensure to follow all the steps carefully for your payments to be successfully completed. Right, as you can see, I have been successfully redirected to my client area, and I do not have any unpaid invoices anymore. If I click on this 0 unpaid invoice, it should bring out the options to show me all the invoices that I have, and I want to believe that all my invoices are already marked as paid. Right, so as you can see, the invoice I just paid for, invoice 1374261, is currently marked as paid. What this means is that my service on this invoice has been activated. So you can see how seamless and easy it is to make payments. You don't have to send an email to anybody. All you need to do is to follow these simple steps and your payments will be done successfully. All right, thank you. Bye.